Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to speak to you today at the launch of this excellent initiative. Designed for Good's decision to focus first on Sustainable Development Goal 6 is very welcome and urgently needed. This is a domain where you can really make a difference. Sustainable Development Goal, or SDG, number 6, is to ensure clean water and sanitation for all by 2030. This is one of 17 interconnected SDGs that make up the 2030 agenda, driving sustainable development around the world and aiming to leave no one behind. Dear colleagues, today, SDG 6 is in danger. 2 billion people still live without safely managed water. 3.6 billion lack safely managed sanitation. And 2.3 billion have no hand washing facilities. Progress in using water more efficiently, in treating watersheds, in treating wastewater, and in transboundary cooperation is far too slow in many areas. And climate change and the pandemic are causing global disruption to water and sanitation projects. This crisis puts the entire 2030 agenda in jeopardy because water and sanitation underpin the SDGs on health, food, gender, education, livelihood, industry, climate, and ecosystems. So, we need innovation because business as usual is not going to get SDG 6 on track. Design and water have always gone hand in hand. For every one of us, water, sanitation, and hygiene services that work well are the difference between health and disease, food and famine, dignity and squalor. We now need smart designers to create technologies that can serve rapidly growing populations, reach remote rural areas, and adapt to a changing climate. We need designers to use their laser-like focus on results to ensure every water and sanitation solution is tailored to the needs of its intended users. Next year's UN 2023 Water Conference is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to measure progress and redouble our efforts. The latest data show we need to work 4 times faster to reach everyone by 2030. Governments have ultimate responsibility, but achieving universal water and sanitation is everyone's business. Design for Good can play a key role in implementing the United Nations SDG 6 Global Acceleration Framework. It is important to say that innovation, one of the framework's 5 pillars, is not only about technology and hardware. We also need better design in policy making and financing mechanisms, in data, information, and communication systems. For people to have access to safe, functional taps and toilets, there must be smooth running and resilient systems behind them. Dear colleagues, in my view, the test of good design is the same as the test of our effort toward SDG 6. Our work must solve people's problems in the most efficient way. Thank you for your commitment to SDG 6. By bringing your creativity and empathy to the table, I am confident we can build a better world together. Thank you so much.